Hello my fabulous friends and welcome back. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of August. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of August's box, stay tuned. If you're not familiar with the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, it is a beauty subscription from Ipsy where you receive 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe size or sample products for $50 per month. Now the value of the box is supposed to be at least $250. When you receive your box each month, it comes in a box like so that says Ipsy on the front and on the sides, and there on the front it says to you, from you. And then when you open it up, it says, discover yourself, and then your products are packaged down below. Ipsy used to include a card in the box that told you all of the products that were inside of the box, but for some reason they stopped doing that. They still do throw a card in here, but it's just some random card. This one says the future is yours, look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow, etc. And that's what that looks like. And that's the back. So the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag this month is the actual bag, the little makeup bag, and here's what that looks like. It's definitely kind of metallic-y there, like a rose gold metallic. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Definitely okay. There's what it looks like inside. It's a pretty decent size and can store quite a few makeup items. So this would be great to just throw inside of your purse with your makeup items so they're not loose all over the place. So the first item I'm pulling out of the box is from Koki, and it says Fix It Up, and it's a mini matte setting spray. So here's what that looks like. And I can always use a good matte setting spray. I get super oily and I haven't found a setting spray yet that keeps me matte for the full length of the day without me touching up. And I've not tried the Koki one, so this is a nice little sample size that'll give me quite a few uses. Hopefully it'll work really well. Now this was one of the actual deluxe size products. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is from Soapbox, and it is the Coconut Milk Hair Mist with Vitamin E. It says Hydrate and Shine. And it says spray as much as desired, 6 to 8 inches away from wet or dry hair. Tousle hair to distribute and enjoy hair that is shiny, hydrated, and infused with a subtle coconut scent. Here's what that looks like. And this is 2 ounces. Let's go ahead and open this up. I want to see if it really smells like coconut. Okay. Has a nice fine mist. Oh my God, that smells so good. It does. You can smell the coconut in it, but not only coconut, but it's like a real tropical type of smell. It smells delicious. Wow. I will definitely be using this. Can't wait to give this a try. And this is considered full size, and it's $12. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is from Beauty For Real, and it is their High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. And here's what that looks like. I actually believe I've gotten this mascara before. So I'll show you what the tube looks like. It is a black mascara, but I'm not gonna open the bottle. Okay, so here's what that looks like. I'm actually quite sure that I've received this before. So this is full size, so this mascara is $19. The next item in the box is from 111 Skin, and it's their Crypto ATP Sports Booster. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'll read a little bit on the back there. It says, mimicking the effect of extreme cold on the skin, this booster contains cellular energy ATP to encourage optimized cell function. A lax complexion will be reignited to leave it tightened, toned, and refined, while dullness and flushing is counteracted for a fresh, reinvigorated complexion. And it says, shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to the skin. All right, so it sounds like it helps with your complexion and dullness and all that kind of stuff. I've never heard of this, but sounds interesting. May give this a try. I know their products are pretty good. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that bottle. That's so pretty. I love that. Looks like a metallic purple. Their products tend to be pretty pricey. The size of this is 0.68 fluid ounces, and it's valued at $135. Now, even if it did work, I could probably tell you that I wouldn't be repurchasing it, but it's nice to have and try, especially getting it inside of a subscription box. The next item I'm pulling out of the box here is from Than, and it says Hydrating Emulsion with Organic Inchi Oil, Algin, and Myrothymnus extracts. I hope I pronounced those things right. It sounds like a moisturizer. It says smooth cream onto face, neck, and massage gently. Use morning and evening after cleansing, and if necessary, apply Than facial serum. So it's a moisturizer. This is considered a deluxe size, so I don't have a price for it. Let's see what it looks like. Huh, okay. It's kind of a cross. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like a cross between a gel and a cream. Oh, it feels really good. It feels really lightweight. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it though. I have a ton of moisturizers. I'll just go ahead and add this to the pile, but it's nice to get different moisturizers and try them and see which ones work best for my skin. So I'm not mad at this at all. Again, there's no price on this. This is one of the deluxe size products. The next thing in the box is, lo and behold, an eyeliner in jet black. And this is from Blvd, and here's what that looks like, guys. I'm not going to open this because I have a ton of black eyeliners open and closed, so I'll probably wind up passing this on, but we definitely could not get through a box without a black eyeliner. Anyway, the value of this Blvd eyeliner is $21. Next up, we have a Generation Clay Detoxifying Charcoal Clay Mask. And here's what that looks like. And let's see if it's safety sealed. It is safety sealed, so I'm not going to open it. I have a clay mask open. I almost want to say it's from the same brand, but I'm not sure. But this is a deluxe size, guys. The next item in here is from Gentle Derm, and it's a cleansing gel foam, so a cleanser. And this too is a deluxe size. It is safety sealed again, so I'm not going to open that. I'll probably wind up passing this on. Next up, we have an item from Complex Culture, and this is the brush, their powder brush, I believe. And I actually almost bought this from the Ipsy shop because I liked this so much. I just thought the brush was really pretty, and then I decided not to because I'm like, you know what, Theo, you have way too many brushes, and it's just gonna sit around. It's just wasting money. You don't need any more. Use what you have. But lo and behold, I got it in the box, so I'm happy about that. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Look at that brush. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Oh God, and it feels amazing. I'm so glad that I got this. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is going to be fantastic for putting powder all over my face. I am super, super excited about this. This is probably the thing I'm most excited about it thus far from the box. But this brush is valued at $35. It did have a little sleeve. When I pulled it out of the box, I pulled the sleeve off. The next item I'm pulling out is from Feel, and it's a vitamin E balm. And this is one of those balms I believe that could be used on your lips, your elbows, just about anywhere. It's a multi-use balm with vitamin E. Put some of that out. And here's what it looks like. It looks like Vaseline to me. Let's see if it feels that way too. Not quite as sticky. Not quite as sticky. It actually smells kind of like peppermint to me. Like, you know those little round peppermint candies? It smells similar to that, but kind of with a touch of medication. I have no clue. It's not a horrible smell, but it's not a great smell. But that's probably what makes it effective. I bet you that smell makes it really good. It'll probably be really good for those dry, chapped lips. So I'll be giving this a try and see how it works. All right, this is full size, guys, and the price of this balm is $24. All right, so we are down to the last couple of items in the box, and the next one I'm pulling out is from Payot Paris. I believe that's how you pronounce it, and it's their Hydra 24 Plus Cream Glacé. Huh, all right. Now, what it says on the box about this is that it's moisturizing care for normal to dry skin with a silky texture, and it helps to restore and maintain the skin's natural level of hydration for 24 hours. Huh, okay. It said the skin is comfortable, plump, and the features are smooth. All right. Now, I wonder if this is for all skin types or is it just for people who are a little more on the dry side? I'll have to do some more research on that. But let's see. All right, look at the little packaging. It's kind of funky there. Look at that. And here's what it looks like. It does have a cap on top, a little seal. Oh, and it's green. I don't know if you guys can see what color it is. It has a nice soft smell to it. I want you guys to see that. Here's what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a mint green color. It does. It smells pretty good. Let's see. Let's try it on. Huh. It's definitely kind of thick. See that? And I just put a ton on. It feels really good though. It feels really good. I can see how this would be super, super moisturizing. Now I do have oily skin, like I said, so I'm not sure how this would be on oily skin. I will do a little bit more research, but if it's more for dry skin, I would definitely use this on my body. It's a moisturizer, so it couldn't hurt using it on my hands and elbows and stuff like that. So I'm excited to get this. And like I said, it smells really good. It's like a little fresh scent. I like it. I like it. The cost of this cream is $48. So the very last item inside of this box, guys, is the item that I actually chose, and it is the Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. And here's what that looks like. Now this is the 1 ounce size, and this retails for $85. And here's what it looks like inside of the packaging. I do not want to open the actual bottle because I already have one open. I've been using this now for probably the last month and a half, and I really, really like it. I am noticing a definite difference in my skin. Like I had some really bad breakouts, and I know it's probably from wearing the mask and stuff, like when we go out or when I go grocery shopping. I had a really bad acne breakout. So I had some dark spots. They're still there, but since I've been using this, I've noticed that they are significantly lighter. So I'm really enjoying this. I really find that I like a variety of Sunday Riley products. I'm actually in the middle of doing a 60-day trial of a variety of different products from her, so I can do a video on which ones I like, which ones I saw results from, and which ones weren't so great or just not for me. But anyway, that's why I chose this, so I'm excited to get this. The retail value of this vitamin C is $85. So that was everything inside of this Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of August. And just to recap real quick, I got the Sunday Riley Vitamin C. I got this cream from Payot Paris, which was $48. I got the 111 Skin Crypto ATP Sports Booster, which I'm going to figure out what to do with, which is $135. I got this great smelling hair mist. This thing smells amazing, amazing, amazing. I hope it performs as well as it smells, but anyway, this is $12. We got the Beauty For Real mascara, which retails for $19. We got the Jet Black eyeliner, which is $21. We got this Vitamin E Balm, which is multi-use, and this balm is $24. We got the brush that I'm absolutely in love with, and this brush is $35. And then we got these 4 deluxe size products, this Koki Cosmetics Mini Matte Setting Spray, which I'm excited to try. We got a cleanser, we got a moisturizer, and then we got a clay mask from Generation Clay. So I come up with a retail value for this month's Glam Bag Ultimate of $379. And that does not include the deluxe size product, as there were no prices for those. Guys, I think this was a really great box. I'm happy with all of the products that I got. Everything in this box will be put to good use, and I just think that it was a really great value for $50. Let me know down in the comments below which product in the box was your favorite product. And if you get Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, let me know if you were happy with your box this month. Anyway, guys, that is all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.